case against you is postponed for the regional court date until the 13th of May, 13 May. On that day, you are going to appear in Court A, that is the normal court relating to your matter where it was placed. You will both remain in custody until then, but as the court had indicated earlier, bail is set in the amount of 30,000 rand for each one of you. If you pay that money, you'll be released, but then you have to appear in court on each and every date which the matter is postponed and remain in attendance until you are excused. A further condition is that you all surrender your passports to the state prior to being released on bail, and you're not going to apply for any traveling documents until the matter has been disposed of. A further condition is that you must not have any contact, be it direct or indirect, with the state witness. At this stage, the one disclosed is Thabang Tsotetsi.
The Boksburg Magistrates Court has granted bail of 30,000 rand each to suspended Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Police Department Deputy Chief Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi and Ekurhuleni City Manager Kagiso Lerutla following their appearance on Tuesday morning. The pair's bail hearing had initially been postponed last week, with the state opposing their release. Prosecutors argued that the charges against two are of a serious nature and raised concerns that they could potentially interfere with witnesses or compromise ongoing investigations if released. Mkhwanazi is facing multiple charges, including fraud, corruption, and defeating the ends of justice. These charges stem from an alleged incident in 2019 where he is accused of manipulating a speeding case involving Lerutla in exchange for payment of 400,000 rand. The allegations form the crux of the state's case, painting a picture of abuse of power within law enforcement ranks. Suspended Deputy Chief was arrested over the weekend at his Gauteng residence by members of the South African Police Services Madlanga Commission task team. During the arrest, police reportedly recovered more than 100 rounds of 9mm ammunition, as well as approximately 15 rounds of R5 ammunition. Mkhwanazi has been on suspension since November 2025. Lerutla, on the other hand, was apprehended a day after Mkhwanazi's arrest at OR Tambo International Airport. He has pleaded not guilty to charges brought against him. During court proceedings, Mkhwanazi's legal representatives argued that their client poses no flight risk and is willing to cooperate fully with the investigators. They further maintained that he does not present any danger to the public. Lerutla's defense echoed similar sentiments, emphasizing his role as a family breadwinner and asserting that he would not interfere with the witnesses or obstruct the investigation. Advocate Peter Wickens SC told the court that his client should not be subjected to arrest over what he described as a mere speeding offense, a statement that underscored the defense's attempt to downplay the severity of the allegations. Despite these arguments, the state remained firm in its position that both accused individuals could potentially obstruct justice if granted bail. However, the court ultimately ruled in favor of their release, imposing strict conditions. As part of these conditions, both Mkhwanazi and Lerutla have been ordered to surrender their passports to authorities. They are also prohibited from making any direct or indirect contact with witnesses linked to the case. Beyond the current charges, Mkhwanazi's name has surfaced in separate allegations presented at the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry. These include claims relating to the theft of precious stones valued at 45 million rand, the facilitation of illegal blue light privileges, and alleged involvement in the disposal of a murder victim's body. Authorities have confirmed that these allegations remain under investigation and are not part of the current court proceedings. The case against Mkhwanazi and Lerutla has been postponed to 13 May, where further developments are expected as investigations continue. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.